Hi, I'm John from Acuity, and in this video we're going to show you how to export reports to Excel. Now if you choose the report that you want to run, and we're going to choose our trial balance report, and we'll just run it in the usual way. So I shall just print this to the screen. And when the report has run, in the top left hand corner we have the option of export report, and if we click on there we can choose the format that we want to run it as, and we've got our Excel versions. So I've got a standard Excel and a data only. If I use the standard Excel, we'll show you the output there, and for my destination if I choose application, now this will open up Excel directly for me. Just click on OK there. And there we can see our report output in Excel as it was appear on the screen. Now obviously if you want to be able to do any work with that, you'd have to do a little bit of manipulation to sort of clean it up, get rid of the headers and things like that. So if you wanted a chunk of data that you could work with, if we click on our export report and if we choose our Excel data only option and run again, I'll click on OK there. This time when the report runs, it will get rid of all the page headers, page breaks and lines and things like that, and it leaves you with a lump of data that you can actually then work with as you would in Excel. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and please check out our other videos.